Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is SEO on-page optimization Google Webmasters. Sorry, what we discuss on today, Webmasters. How to use in this tutorial I am explain how to use Webmasters tool and how to highlight the data and how to given website pages indexing and how to promote keyword. I am clearly explaining step by step. Please watch carefully. What we discuss on today, how to submit website pages in Webmasters tool using Webmasters tool, how to give Google indexing to web pages, how to get traffic from Google. I am clearly explained in this tutorial. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, and SEM, and complete web tutorials will be provided the SHS Tech Solution. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you want to get my latest updates, compulsory you can subscribe my channel. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. First of all, I'm going to open my Gmail. I have one website, channel.com. channel.com. And my website name. Here I am clicking on this menu option. This is the Google Webmasters tool. Webmasters. It's taking some time for loading purpose. In Google search engine, I am already submitted my website. Yeah, this is my website, channel.com. I'm clicking on here. Yeah, here left side showing the menu. I'm clicking on Cravel. Fetch as Google. Fetch as Google. Here I am submit my URL. Here already channel.com / is there. So I'm copy the only after the slash. I'm submit the URL. Fetch. Yeah, here request for indexing. Request indexing. I'm clicking on request indexing. Previously this is the captcha code, but presently this is robot. Here first one is we are submit the total 500 URLs per month, and second one is only you can directly submit only 10 URLs per month. So select the first one. Select I am not a robot. I'm not a robot. Go. Yeah, indexing requested. Indexing requested. I'm copy this URL. I'm open a incognito window. Google. request for indexing. Yeah, this is the first step. First it can be showing. Sometimes it will be taken some time, but sometimes it will process um, uh, process very quickly. So this is the process. Next one is keyword highlighting. Keyword highlighting and data highlighting. Yeah, I am clicking on search appearance. Here data highlighter option is there. Here left side menu, I am clicking on search appearance. Here data highlighter option is there. I am clicking on data highlighter. Yeah, I am clicking on data highlighter. Start highlighting. I am copy the URL. Yeah, tag this page and other like it. Type of information. Article, you can select the type of information in this page. Articles, book reviews, events, local business, movies, products, restaurants, or anything else. This is the article. I am selecting the article. Okay. Okay. I am submitting this. This page is very few minutes back, a few seconds back. So that's why it is not taken. URL could not be found the Google indexing. This URL is not indexing. It will be taking some time. I'm taking another URL. URL must begin with http://w. This URL could not be found. http www. Yeah, okay. This URL could not be found. So no problem. We will take another URL. Some error is there. So okay, leave it. Suppose data how to data highlight I am showing here. I'm clicking on previous submission page. It will be loading. Yeah. Suppose I'm here. This is the page. I'm copy this political news. It will be. You can click on right click. You can use. You can give title, author, or date published, image, anything else. This is the political news. Is the title. I'm clicking on this image. I'm selecting the image. Here, right side, it will be showing the image. Article, political news. Here we're showing the article title and data highlighting the process. So I'm clicking on done. It will be published. Last modified 1:45 a.m. This is the, I think, my US timings. Once again I will try start highlighting. This URL could not be found in Google's index. Troubleshooting data editor after I enter my starting URL and click OK, I get an error. At just this page. Yeah. So this is the page. Political news is the title. I am copy the political news. I am clicking on right click on mouse title. Here right side it will be shows the title equal to title is political news. Next I will copy this and this is the other is the article title. I am clicking on image. This is the image. And copy this category. Your wish to give the rating, advanced votes. It is your wish. So guys, this is the process to process to data highlighting, keyword highlighting. Here keyword is the keyword or title is the political news. Suppose anyone can be search the political news in Google. It will be this page will be rise in the first page. Publish. So this is the process of using data using webmasters tool to promote your website pages. How to given Google indexing to your web pages. I am explain and how to highlight the how to data highlight the uh, how to data highlight the keyword using Google Webmaster. I am explain. Suppose you can search the political news. You are highlighting the keyword, it will be showing here. Andhra highlights. So guys, this is the process to promote your website, website pages and keyword building. I hope we all are understanding how to use Google Webmasters tool. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Once again guys, SHS Tech Solution provides all the web technologies and digital marketing technologies. So guys, please like and share my videos and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.